Do you want to learn the real secrets of civil engineering? The kind of knowledge that most experienced engineers never share? Welcome to Civil Guru Solutions. This channel is dedicated to uncovering the hidden aspects of civil engineering and making them simple and practical for everyone. Here, you will explore every stage of the profession: design, quantity surveying, estimation, scheduling, execution, and quality control. We also cover vital topics like delays, extension of time, claims, and arbitration. And our videos include detailed case studies on highways, buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure projects, explained in a clear and student-friendly way, yet useful for professionals too. To make learning accessible worldwide, our videos are available in multiple languages: English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, Arabic, Hindi, and Tamil. You can select your preferred language from the playlist or through links in the description. And with YouTube's auto-dubbing support, you can even choose your own language directly in the settings. If you find our content helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to support our work, you can now use Super Thanks. Even a small gesture makes a big difference and helps us continue creating high-quality educational content for you. Thank you for being part of Civil Guru Solutions. Together, let's learn, build, and succeed.